projects from Rocknife, we have an absolutely fantastic set for you. Beautiful set. Damien, just take us through these knives. They're beautiful. We've got a 6-inch, a 5-inch, a 4-inch, and a 3-inch.
And a 3-inch, exactly.
Yeah, absolutely. And they come with the stand as well, which we'll show you in a second.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we go great. So I'm going to start with a 3-inch knife. This one I would use as a little paring knife.
Yeah, it's a lovely paring knife.
But they are very small, but they're very useful for certain things. So
yeah.
things like a garlic, if you're doing that very finely, or I would use this for grapes if I was preparing grapes for a fruit salad, say. Yeah. And these are seeded grapes, so you want to take out the pips there.
The thing I like about these knives is that they're very, very light, but they're very sharp. So they are very, very easy to use, aren't they?
Exactly.
You don't have to be a professional, but it makes you look like a professional.
They are super sharp, and you can do very, very delicate stuff with these. Yeah. So yeah, that's the little 3-inch knife.
That's the 3-inch knife, yeah. So we got the 3-inch, and the next one's the 4-inch. There's your 3-inch. By the way, they do come with these. Everyone comes with the cover, and they're boxed individually as well, which we'll show you in a second. But look, yeah, that's that one there. Yeah, lovely.
4-inch knife. I would use this generally for things like maybe ginger, lemons perhaps, or say hunting strawberries, like you do that.
Yeah.
And then slice them in half. But basil.
Basil.
Yep, that's the one.
Basil.
There we go. I thought you might come out with that. So there we go. A little bit of the herbs, coriander, parsley.
The other great thing, basil, yeah. The other great thing about these as well is that they're easy to clean. You don't have to put them in the dishwasher. You just rinse them, wipe them, put them back in the cover, back in the drawer as well. And once you've wiped them, you're not going to get any taste of food from one set of food to another.
What
if
it
you're
is
doing,
really,
like herbs to fruit or something like that.
It's a question that the ceramic material is different from steel, so it doesn't oxidize the fruit so much. So when you get chefs talking about the taste of steel on, say, a tomato,
you don't think about
you
it,
don't actually get that happening with a ceramic blade. So,
That's right.
So
and the Japanese love them, don't they?
Japanese.
And they do know about knives.
Yeah, exactly. They'll use them for their sushi.
Yeah,
absolutely.
A lot
of exactly. Fillets of fish.
Okay, that's the 3. That's the 4-inch.
And there's a 5-inch knife here. 5-inch knife, I would say, is probably the most generally useful. I use it for onions. I don't know. Let's say.
And the other thing with onions as well, if you cut onions with these, you don't get the tears. Why don't you get the tears?
Well, okay. So if you're cutting an onion with a ceramic knife like this, a super sharp knife, the blade doesn't crush the cells in the onion. So actually you're slicing through and there's no vapor.
Yeah.
So you only get a faint smell.
Jump on the phone now, folks, if you want this set. The details are on the screen, the website's on the screen, the phone number's on the screen. I'm sure you'll want this. And not only that, if you're thinking about a present, a gift for somebody, look how they come. Everyone comes individually boxed. We'll show you the 6-inch knife in a second, but look at this. This is how they come to you.
So this is it, yeah, a little magnetic flip lid. And
so each knife is individually boxed?
It is. Yes. And also they all come with the cover.
With the cover as well,
protective cover on the blade. So stop you cutting your fingers.
So even if you were just going to give one away to somebody, it's great.
It's a great gift.
Beautiful gift, yeah. That's it. And Rocknife are exclusive as well. You won't find these in shops. These are our exclusive knives. Fantastic quality, beautiful knives, and they're just like us. They're super sharp and cool.
I'm glad you think so,
I'll speak for you, not for
here we
me.
go. Okay.
But they are super sharp.
But they are stylish.
They're absolutely stylish.
And they're a great talking point in the kitchen.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. So this one, 6-inch knife, cuts of meat. I would use that for larger vegetables, even a large onion like that.
Yeah.
So I'd use that knife for that.
The other thing as well, they do come in this fabulous set. Now this is the stand that you're going to get with it, folks. That's the stand. They look great. You don't really need any other knives, do you? That's it. That's all you.
Well,
really
that's the basic set that I would use in the kitchen on a daily basis.
Doesn't take up a great deal of space.
But they very quickly become your favourite knife. So you know
you
that
always
one in
have
the drawer.
One. Absolutely,
And these are the ones that you will go to every time. So the stand here, that comes. You can either take off the bottom and mount it on the wall, or you can use it as a freestanding stand for your knives.
And they do look great. I mean, they look fantastic. Now you can have each individual colour. So if you've got a set of red, a set of green, a set of blue, a set of grey, that's great. Or you can have them like we've got here, different colours. Remember, they come with all the covers. You also get a packet of plasters with them, just in case, because you never know. But whatever you do, folks, don't miss out. Jump on the phone now, make your call, and get this set. It's brilliant.
The set of 4 rock knives is £66.95 and includes a free stand. You can purchase online at www.rocknife.com. Use code TVW at the checkout or call our phone number 0117 318 0709. All postage and packing for rock knives is free of charge.